Hey there, my beautiful people. I'm so excited to see you here again on my channel. Today we'll be discussing and reviewing a lot of different lip combos that you could recreate this summer for any occasion, either it's an evening, day, or morning. It could also be really good for different types of events like work, pool parties, or dinner. These are going to be different, and you could be also tailoring it to your personal preferences, also what color suits your skin color best. And in general, we all know that color theory works, right? Some colors may not look as good on me if they would look good on you because of the different skin tones. I have an olive undertone, something similar to what I'm wearing. I don't have much pink in my skin, it's more of yellow. Some colors don't look too good on me. I'm pretty high contrast, as well as I have light features just like my skin, and my eyes are super light. A lot of these things are taken into consideration when I'm looking for colors that suit me best. It goes for any style of makeup, not just lip combos. I really hope you enjoy these. I will be explaining a little bit more in detail of what I'm doing, what products I'm using, and I really hope you like the swatches. There are so many of them, so I hope you like them. Enjoy! First combo is going to be nice and peachy. The first thing I'm going to use is my nude truffle. This is my favorite lip liner by NYX. I love every NYX lip liner, and this is one of my go-tos forever just because it's so close to my lip shade and it naturally just looks so beautiful. What I did was follow my natural lip line and then fill it in the middle, and then leave the middle part or the center part of my lips so that I could give a little bit of a ombre finish. This also helps to look the lips a little bit more plump, just a pro tip for you. Then we follow up with this beautiful new Maybelline gloss. Just a look at all of these sparkles, you guys. It is a perfect brown as well. It's never sticky and it's gorgeous. I love this combination. It's one of my favorites and I wear this one all the time. This is the lifter gloss with the hyaluronic acid in shade Crystal. Alright, now again, new truffle lip liner, filling it in as I would always do, then following along with this beautiful new Keep It Full Max Milani. This is a lip gloss in shade 110. You guys, this is a gorgeous shade, super pink, like a nude, such a perfect color. I'm obsessed. You could do so many different combinations with this one, but we are not done here because I want to add in a little bit of a sparkle, which is this GISOU honey lip oil. You guys, it has a little bit of a sparkle, which is stunning together. I am so obsessed with three of them together. What do you guys think? This is a gorgeous nude juicy lip. The third one is going to be one of my other favorite pieces, which is Flesh from LA Girl. You guys, stunning lip color. I love the one so much. And listen, LA Girl, so affordable. You could never go wrong with that one. We do the same exact thing, fill it in almost together, and then I use this new Say. This is a mousse for the lips. It kind of stains the lips as well. It is very low coverage. It's perfect for just empty lips as well, so you could add on there. And then I go in with the Etude water tint, which is so similar to Benetint, you guys, and I put it in the middle to create this peachy, I would say, ombre look. I love to wear something like this as a look for the summer, and I just feel like it looks really nice, plump, as well as it just looks really summery. I don't know, this one is different. This one is probably not one of my favorites, but I tried this combo many times and it's just cute. I like it, and it's not as glossy, which is perfect for me. Alright guys, this one is one of my favorite ones. This is Espresso lip liner from NYX. I'm doing the same exact thing, same old thing, overlining a little bit, outlining a lot, and leaving the middle space out. This is just to help my lips look a little bit more plump, as well as it just gives me the better look, I would say. Also, I did a little bit of a two-tone lip. If you guys know what a two-tone lip is, it's where one of the lip is a little bit more darker than the other, which I really like, and I really like this trend. A lot of people are insecure about it, but listen, I'm jealous of you. Then I go in with this beautiful YSL lip gloss. You guys, look at this shade right here. It's stunning. This is the limited edition YSL Loveshine Plumping Lip Gloss, and it's in the shade Espresso Stardust. The most beautiful thing I have ever put on my lips, honestly. It is gorgeous, has the perfect tone of brown, and makes my lips look so good. I love this combo so much. It's like that perfect coffee lip. Next up is something new to me. Cara Beauty has these line-up lip liners. I've got so many, and they also have different products as well. I've been trying them out and testing out. Unfortunately, I have no idea what this shade is, but it's like an orangey red, gorgeous color, glides in so beautifully. It's just so comfortable to wear as well, and it's retractable, so no sharpener needed. I followed it with an Hourglass. I'm going to locate the shade and add it into my description, you guys. I completely forgot which one this one is, but it's such a beautiful shade and it matches with the lip liner, and I'm just so obsessed with them together. Guarantee that this is a gorgeous night out look. This is beautiful for the drinks with the girls, as well as going on that hot summer date. Imagine putting your hair up and imagine putting your hair up, doing a beautiful bun and wearing a silk dress, and then adding this. So beautiful. Alright girlies, I hope we're not sleeping on these lifter liners from Maybelline. You guys, these are the most gorgeous lip liners as well. I know I haven't been putting up on social media with them too much, but look at this shade. I can't. I'm screaming looking at the screen right now, editing this. This is such a beautiful shade, and this gloss, they work beautifully together. I feel like this is one of my favorites combos. Literally tapping on the table, you guys. Gorgeous. I get so many compliments when I wear this one. This is the most stunning nude pink shade that I have ever worn. These are the lip liner and gloss, both of them from Maybelline, and I will be linking the names and the shades in the description right now, so check those out right now. You have to get this. This is the most beautiful look, and it will look great on anyone, I promise. I got the shade. The previous one was a line leader. This one is the fine line lifter lip liner, you guys. This is a gorgeous look. I'll be pairing it with this beautiful milkshake lip gloss from Lawless, which is completely viral right now, and everybody has to try it. Everyone has to try this beautiful lip gloss. It is so moisturizing. It is gorgeous on the lip. It gives that beautiful look as in the Y2K, like the 2000s, and it is gorgeous. I love how they both look together. I know the editing is horrible here, but listen, this is a gorgeous look, and everyone needs to get their hands on this shade, the Lawless Milkshake, and just get all of these shades for the lifter liners. You need them all. They're the most creamiest, the most gorgeous lip liners I have ever tried. Even better than NYX, trust me. Alright, moving on. This is the orangey / peachy color as well. This is the creamy Uncover Hourglass lip liner. It is absolutely stunning as well. Glides in perfectly on the lips. I do the same exact thing. I would be outlining. I don't usually overline, but I do fill in my lips. A lot of times I do just wear the lip liners itself and then go ahead and just follow with other stuff like a lipstick, mousse, or a lip gloss. This time I'm following in with a Valentino, this beautiful purple lip gloss. Do you see how stunning this is? Yes, purple may sound scary, but look at the way it looks on the lips. It just creates this beautiful purplish tint, like a berry tint on my lips, and it doesn't look overwhelming. It just looks like it's a little bit of a darker tint, which gives me that beautiful muted look for my lips, which I really like a lot. And sometimes this color may scare a lot of people, but it doesn't show off purple. It just gives a berry shade, which is beautiful. It doesn't overwhelm, but it shines so glossy. I think everyone should try it. I know the price is out there, but there is one from Kaleidos, which I'll also link in the description so that you could check that one out. It is very similar in the shade, and the consistency is no way worse. Next up, we have the Hourglass Temp number 4. This is a gorgeous pink nude shade as well. I would say it gives off a peachy tint underneath as well, but I like how this one looks a little bit better than the other one. This one just gives off a little bit more of a natural look, which looks really fresh for summer. I'll be pairing it with this Sherbet 70% Fui lip gloss. This is the lip gloss that I have actually reviewed previously. I'm going to make sure that I will link the video in the description so that you could check out the full review. I have not only did the lip gloss, I've also reviewed some of their pudding pods, which are absolutely amazing, you guys. But this combination is also really juicy. I love them together. These colors complement so well. I would be pairing this a lot with our summer outfits, probably in the daytime more than evening. Next up is this Cara Beauty lip liner. This one is a little bit too pink. I don't think it matches the liner color itself. This one is a little bit cooler pink, which is not bad. You will see how I pair it with this Flower Nose Mousse. This one is one of my favorite items right now. I like a little bit of more of matte lips. Sometimes I just go with the mousse and it looks really moisturized, no wrinkles, nothing. I love how smooth my lips look with this product, but I did want to add in a little bit of a sparkle, so I did go in with IT Cosmetics. This is one of my favorite lip glosses. This one is called, I think it's Serum, the Confidence in the Bottle, or the Confidence in the Serum. Definitely an amazing lip gloss, super hydrating. This one in particular is clear, but it does leave a little bit of glitter aspects, which I really like. I think this is a really cute combination. It's a little different, but it's super cute, and it would probably look really good for a date as well. Alright, you guys, that was it for today. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn the notifications on. Don't forget to also check every link in the description. I'll try to add every product that I've used so that you don't get confused, as well as also check me out on my different channel. I also upload there pretty often. I'll say at least 5 times a week. So yeah, check me out on there as well. Also check me out on Instagram. Just check every link below. Let's be friends. I'll see you then. Bye.